Fine, this is 8th problem. Let me solve. Right, a number is multiplied by 6. Right, if so 24 is subtracted from the product and difference is divided by 42, the result is equal to 10. The number is right. Here break the sentence and convert algebraic, that is statement, to algebraic expression. A number, let the number be x. Right, let the number be x. Now a number is multiplied by 6, so obviously the next step it is multiplied by 6x. If 24 is subtracted from the product, this is the product what we got after multiplying a number by 6. So we are supposed to subtract 24 from this, that is 24 minus 24, and the difference, this difference is divided by 42, that divided by 42, the result is equal to 10. Right, the number is, just simplify this, you are going to get the answer. Generating algebraic expression is very important part, right? So 6x minus 24, so 24 is equal to 42 into 10, right? Or 6x minus 24 is equal to 42 tens are 420. 6x is equal to 420, so transpose this side, that is plus 24. Negative will become positive. Right, so 6x is equal to 444, or x is equal to 444 by 6. Simplify it here. 6 sevens are 42, right? 2 remainder, 6 fours are 24. So the value, the number is 74. That is, option E is the right one.